I just want to have a look at describing the trend. So notice that when I've done this, I've added on these start endpoints. So down the bottom here, I've added on the start endpoints, and that's given me the value there of 26.8 and 35.8. So those are the sales in thousands of dollars. I can go over here to my data and find when the data started. So I can say from 2005 quarter 3, the average amount of sales of sunglasses was approximately 26,800, and by 2010 quarter 4, the sales of sunglasses have increased to approximately 35,800. Okay, so these are my overall trend. But now there's another feature that NZGrapher has just added, which gives us a little more detail. So what I might do now is break the data into sections. And I'm going to first of all identify that this first section here, the data has increased. Okay. Then I want to describe that. So if I, with my mouse, hover over the line itself, it now, can you see how I'm getting this pop-up value? So this is now telling me the average trend values along that line. So the increase has gone on till about this quarter here. So that is 2008 quarter 1. So I'm going to break it into that section and say from the beginning, so from 2005 quarter 3 through to 2008 quarter 1, the average sales has increased from, and I'm just going to delete that line so I can actually see the value better. So it's increased from an average of 26,800 up to a value of $33,000 approximately. Okay, so that's going to be my first section. Then the second section that I'm going to do is going to go from here to here. You can see there it's reasonably flat during that section. So that's the section I then want to describe. So hovering over, I can say, right, from 2008 quarter 1, the trend was around about $33,000, and it stayed pretty stable until approximately 2009 quarter 3, and it stayed reasonably stable at around about 33,700. Okay, then I can do my third section. So then the third section is where it's increased over this period of time here, and I can again describe that and say, right, it's gone from a value of around about 33,700 there, and it has risen to a value or trend of approximately 35,800 by 2010 quarter 4. So use a number of these different skills to identify those points, and then we get more accurate values. Similarly, if I change to the seasonal graph here, then again, if I hover over those points, it gives me those actual values and more accuracy. So use this information here to write your explanations about being above or below the trend by approximately this amount of money.